Welcome to the Kingdom of Fife, a historic landscape in the east of Scotland. Many years ago, Gaelic was in fact the main language spoken here in Fife, or Fife. Fife is still full of Gaelic language and culture today. You just have to know where to look.
Fáilte go Fife.
Fáilte go Eva.
Fáilte go Fife.
Fáilte go Fife.
Fáilte.
Fáilte go Fife. Welcome to Fife. Fife is reawakening its Gaelic connections today through our very own Gaelic development plan. More and more Fifers are learning how to speak Gaelic. Our children are learning Gaelic in new ways, from bookbug sessions for toddlers to interactive lessons in our schools. Our local businesses are joining in too, becoming Gaelic aware and joining our Gaelic Friendly scheme. Businesses adopting the Gaelic Friendly scheme are welcoming new clients, attracted by their support for Fife's ancient language. Conversation classes, like those in Anstruther at the Scottish Fisheries Museum, offer fantastic opportunities to learn and practice together. And it's not just the place names in Fife that have strong Gaelic connections. Aberdour, or Operdour, Mouth of Water, is home to its very own shinty club, promoting and fostering the ancient Scottish game that may look a wee bit like hockey to the untrained eye. Pop along and watch a game. We live in a changing world. Many of us are increasingly aware of the global challenges facing our planet, including climate change and nature collapse. Fife is becoming more sustainable, reconnecting with the natural world around us. We know how precious our environment is and the importance of rediscovering, nourishing, and treasuring our inheritance to keep for future generations. As we reconnect with nature and our landscape, we also have an opportunity to reconnect with the Gaelic heritage in our land, to rediscover Fife's history, and to remember an important part of who we were and who we are. If you're Gaelic curious, whether you live in Fife or you're visiting us for the first time, there are so many ways to engage with Gaelic. Be sure to follow our local social media, @Gaelic in Fife. And why not try your hand at a local conversation class? Even just downloading the Duolingo app on your phone could be a great start.
Chiri and Rasta.
Chiri andrasta.
Chiri andrasta.
Chiri andrasta.
Cheery.
Fáilte go Fife. Welcome to Fife, a Gaelic kingdom.